Are you okay? That was a bad fall. I twisted my ankle badly. I will have to forfeit this tennis match. Are you sure? Unfortunately, I do not think I can continue to play.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bobblehead Slow English Shorts. Here, we aim for you to learn one new English word or phrase in under 2 minutes. Enjoy! When you watch any major sports event, such as the Olympics or Grand Slam tennis, you will often hear the TV commentator use the term to forfeit is a verb which means the participating person or team is giving up the match. Usually, it is related to injury, and they simply cannot start or continue the sport. They have to give up or surrender. Now it is your turn to try. I twisted my ankle badly. I have to forfeit this tennis match. Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
Are you okay? That was a bad fall. Are you okay? That was a bad fall. I twisted my ankle badly. I will have to forfeit this tennis match. I twisted my ankle badly. I will have to forfeit this tennis match. Are you sure? Are you sure? Unfortunately, I do not think I can continue to play. Unfortunately, I do not think I can continue to play.
If you have not already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon, and take care.